Right, so today, for the first time ever, Ayu is going to try and cook fish. So we're making Thai steamed fish with lime. Our fish is ready. These are our ingredients which I've already prepared. So let's begin. So I'm going to add in the garlic so that it will help me remove the garlic skin. Wow, the garlic skin has been removed. Then we'll add in some of the coriander. The garlic's already in there, so we'll skip this step and move on to the chili. It has a built-in weighing scale, so I just have to open the scale and weigh in them. Next, we pour in the lime juice and add a little bit of fish sauce. Next, we'll add in some water and homemade chicken stock. That's right. Close the lid and we're going to blend it for a little while. Oh, look at that. So delicious and mouth-watering. Now we'll insert lemongrass into the fish as well as under the fish on the steaming tray. To save time, I've decided to add in the rice into the simmering basket and cook it so that we have multi-layer cooking where the fish is on top and the rice is underneath. Easy cooking, healthy meal done in minutes. What a joy. Selamat mencuba.